Visual Studio, the Find and Replace feature allows you to search for specific text and replace it throughout your project or within specific files. Here's how to use it. Open Find and Replace. Press Ctrl+F to open the Find window or Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace window. Alternatively, go to Edit, Find and Replace in the menu. Enter Search Query. In the Find window, enter the text you want to search for in the Find What field. Find Options. Customize the search options as needed. You can search within the current document, entire solution, or a specific set of files. Choose options like match case, whole words, or use regular expressions for advanced searches. Perform the search. Click Find Next or press Enter to search for the text. The search results will be highlighted in the editor. Replace text. To replace text, switch to the Find and Replace window, enter the text to replace in the Find What field, and the replacement text in the Replace With field. Replace or replace all. Click Replace to replace one occurrence at a time or replace all to replace all occurrences within the scope specified earlier. Confirmation and Review. Visual Studio will prompt you to confirm replacements. Review changes before confirming, especially when using Replace All.